Matic, on the weekly chart, let's look at what we got going on the bigger picture here. So since our lows back in June, why did we stop there? Well, you can look left, right? You always find usually something in the charts that shows you why you reversed at a certain spot, right? So off of these lows, we are now up a good bit, right? Over 300%. That's a 4x, and that is a nice move. Will we continue? Well, today up 4% when the rest of the market's kind of fizzling out. So stronger than most. Why would that be? Well, if you go look at the indicators, look at the RSI, what does that stand for? Relative Strength Index, right? That's at 66. Not a lot of coins are that high, right? If your coin's not that high on the weekly, then Matic is stronger than your coin by definition, right? The relative strength to the rest of the market. That's what that does. So you want to be holding coins that have a higher relative strength than the rest of the coins. That's a good one to do. Our ADX and DI has crossed bullish all the way back in October, and we're now getting some more divergence away from each other. At the same time, your average directional index in the orange is going up with the bulls, right? Bulls are on top in the green and gaining strength. Now we're now above 25. And that is significant, right? 25 is a really big level and kind of where we topped out before. So we want to watch for this continuing strength as we approach kind of our resistance level here, right? Why is this resistance? Well, one, look at our 2 wicks up here that we hit back in November and October. And 2, right, our bigger consolidation before we plummeted in the bear market. Really all the bear market since, the better part of the past 10 months or so, we've been under this zone. And look how many weeks we spent there, right? We spent, initial candle right here. We spent, 98 days or more, almost 100 days holding that as support, broke it in a big way. And now we've tested it once, and now we're working on it again. Will we break through this time? If we do, if we can flip this back to support, I think the bigger moves are still likely ahead of us for Matic. As much as crazy as that is, the 300% move so far from bottom to top is chicken feed for now. I think if we get above here, we'll see the bigger fireworks. But 1, 2, 3, we're six green weeks in a row. We might need a cool off, right? That's okay. If we come back down, we just want to hold the higher moving averages. The EMA 8 would be a good one. Right now is around $1.09 and rising week over week. EMA 14's right behind it, so watch one of those two. At worst case, the EMA 21 in the yellow. You can see it's a little bit clustered right now. I would say next week that'll update to around $1. So if we can hold our head above $1, that's a nice psychological level for humans, right? Trading's just based on human emotion. So that's what we're looking at. And breakout, if we can hold kind of 135, get above these closing lows right in here, 135, I think Matic is going to be even continuing said strength going in. So good things to come for Matic, I do believe. So next bull run for sure, especially with this kind of setup in a bear market. Up, how many X's is your coin up in this bear market? Maybe not much, off the lows, right? 300%, pretty nice. Let's zoom out into the daily, see if we got any better picture, right? Still the same kind of zone, right? There's that same zone we looked at. Look at that long consolidation, broke it, and then, just a little bit more granular level for you. Our moving averages are sorted out least to greatest, which is a great sign. That's the first time all the bear cycle that we've had that, right? The 200-day EMA on the bottom, the 8 on the top, and everything else falling in suit. As you can see that's when you get your power moves. So we're working on breaking into our highest closing candle really since this broken downtrend, right? So good things coming for Matic. Also, if you kind of loosely fit your eye to this kind of little bull shape here, that's another bullish pattern. Maybe we need some consolidation and kind of rest in here, kind of this loosely based cup and handle formation. But we're looking at a lid line up in here around $1.30. So if we can close a couple candles up in here on the daily, I like our odds of moving back to the upside even further. But I would also not be surprised at all if we took a little bit of a breather, consolidated maybe for the rest of February or something, take a break. We could even come back down all the way to the dollar. Remember the dollar area? Right in that area. Anywhere in here, we're still good, right? If we get above here and hold this as support, big things are still ahead in a bigger way for Matic. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, if you want more content, if the thumbs up, Follow us on Telegram, Patreon for more content, more help in this bull cycle, navigating the charts. Happy to do that. Thanks for watching this long if you have. Let's do our quote of the day. The sole meaning of life is to serve humanity. Great quote. Car of the day, Ferrari 48 Pista. I'll take it in any way you can get it to me. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much.